I nailed it. I really look pretty in the real life.
Very good. Salamat sa mga tumutulong sa inyo. No? Sa mga nagbibigay sa inyo.
In the video, I look ugly. Really, it looks like a heavy makeup. But in the real life, you can see it. Really, I promise I'm not lying. It's not in the RP right now. Because someone's gonna bash me. So I'm gonna put concealer, a little bit concealer. A little bit.
So, bukas mag-i-start na kayo ni tatay.
A little bit concealer.
Ikaw na yung mag-ano. Oo, ayusin mo yung display doon, ha? Kasi alam nyo, kung paano aangat or lalago ang business, kailangan 100% focus. Then, magandang display. Pero hindi naman kasi kakayanin ng tatay at nanay ninyo yan.
Oh my god, I nailed it.
Kaya na sinabi ko nung umpisa,
and my students know I don't have a mole here, but I literally have so.
Kahit si, John Paul, palit-palit tayong magbantay. Sama-sama, magkaisa po tayo.
There. That's why I put like that. So, I'm gonna. So, can you see my? Oh my mole.
Para pagdating ng maliwanag na alas 8, mag-rolling na naman. So, habang nag-rolling kayo naman,
I put some blush. I forgot to put some blush.
Napakaganda tong location nyo.
Ano? Copy that. I'm Filipino, guys. What are you guys?
Management.
So, what do you This is what my students want me to look like. They want me to look like a ghost. Really, but I don't want my makeup like that and my hair, because they want me to be like a K-pop. But I think I nailed it.
Talagang mabilis lumago yan. Diyan kayo aasinso pag pinupusan niyo yan. Diba, RJ?
I nailed it.
Ano pangalan ng business